This video is intended to be a short introduction to set builder and roster forms for sets. A set builder is the example of a set that's described in the top example here. We say the set of x, and then that vertical line is read as such that x is a natural number and 5 is less than or equal to x is less than 9. So this is called set builder because we are building the set by telling you the rule that you would follow to create the set. So let's try to use that rule and create the set in a roster notation. Just like a class roster, a roster just means to list the elements of the set. So if we want natural numbers that satisfy 5 less than or equal to x less than 9, let's write down the number 5 because 5 is in that interval. 6 is also in that interval. So is 7, so is 8. 9 is not because it says x is less than 9, so it's all the way up to but not including 9, and so we'll stop the notation there. And that's roster notation. We took the set builder, which described it as a rule, and then we made the class roster, right? We told you the elements that are actually in the set, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the bottom example is written in a roster notation. It listed the actual elements that are in the set. Let's attempt to change this into a set builder notation. So the set of x such that x is a natural number and now we need to write a rule for what's going on here. We have the numbers 9, 10, 11, and 12, and the dot, dot, dot you see here means and continuing. So it's actually 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so forth forever. So these are the numbers that are bigger than or equal to 9. Right? 9, 10, 11, 12, and so forth are all of the numbers that are bigger than or equal to 9. So what we've done now is we've taken that set that was written in a roster, an infinite list of numbers, and we've changed it into a rule, the set of x, such that x is a natural number and that x is bigger than or equal to 9. There's various ways of writing this, but hopefully this is a nice little gentle introduction to the difference between set builder notation and the roster form for sets.